Let's hope makita natin ang G22!
Happy New Year!
Yung outfit ko guys, mainit pero kailangan daw kasi red eh. So, okay na yan, pwede na yan. Nandun na po kami sa pinakamalapit eh. Yay! Nakarating kami dito guys! Naiihi ako. Hi guys, malapit na mag New Year. Ayun. Sobrang uneventful ng New Year sa bahay lagi. Kumakain lang kami kasi dalawang senior na kasama namin sa bahay. Lola't lola ko. Kaya gusto nila parang tahimik, less stress. Kaya kumain lang kami. Ito. Max. Tapos, pinakain din namin yung mga dogs. Syempre, doggies. Maxi. And now, just waiting for New Year. Kaya ginagawa ni Mac. So, sobrang dami daw tao. G22, let's go! Tagalog!
Everybody. Tama?
Tama.
Right?
Yeah.
Before we continue with our next
Sa ba to,
songs,
guys?
We've loved spending this day with you. Please do love me now.
Guys, si Casey tsaka si TJ, nakita nyo ba? Tapos na yung G22, mamaya-maya dadaan na sila dito. Ready na ako. Baka mamaya pa yun. Ang galing ng G22. Shit!
mo isa yun.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Running on the non-stop vertigo. Don't put whiskey in the teapot. Ethanol.
Para saan ka to?
Walang po pa si JR. Papaalam ka.
So can't you ever say goodbye? And swaying to that performance by Dianella and JR.
Well, tonight is the best looking crowd I think in the front.
Idol! Nakayard siya sa akin! Hate niya! Tawakan niyo yung kamay ko. Second time na, yung unang time sa Nuvali. Look guys, ilakad ko daw si Bella. Kasi nagpapabiling soft drinks yung nanay ko. So let's go. Ayan na siya guys. Behave lang siya. Bella!
Let's get it started. Let's get it started. Up in here. Up in here. Yeah. I'm about daddy, yo. Haters better step back. Niggas gotta lose your ass.
Big Digger Radio Smasher.
Shit, huh? Feels like a super 8-bit. That's super 8-bit. I'm on that HD flat. This people boom boom pop. I'm a bitch with a tummy. Into the features of a show. On the faster battle. Question ladies, sex on level. We gotta beat that now. We gotta beat that now. We gotta beat that now. Boom boom in the boom boom.
You if you drop the beat now.
I've been rocking the beat.
Already makes a noise.
Tapuan ng ngiti. Umapit ka kaya. So last act ang parokya ni Edgar. Tapos dumaan na dito si Chito Miranda. Lahat ng mga artist dumadaan dito. So tingnan natin ko dito dadaan yung SB19. Grabe. Hindi ko alam na dito ako ilalagay ni Lord. Ganito na karami yung tao guys. So kanina walang katao-tao dito. Sana dinala ko yung aking banner ng SB19 tapos mapapirma ko sila. Sana makita ko sila. Diyan lumalabas lahat ng artist. Wow! Ngayon ko lang nakita labas ng bahay namin na may Christmas lights pala. Wow! Okay, malapit na mag-New Year. I love love this song! Ang iyong pangalan, nais kong malaman. Oh, ang isang katulad mo ay di na dapat pa. Ayan yung SB19! Oh, di ba? At least ito ba? Guys, SB19 yun! Pakinggan mo ang tinig ko. Di mo ba pansin? Ikaw, ako.
Magaling at mahal na asawa.
Ilang beses na rin tayo umihindi. Ang paborito kong sesyon.
Lighting up BGC to gig.
That's right, this is exactly
Ayun na,
why Filipino music continues to shine on the global stage. From DJ Mars Miranda,
SB19.
Apple Diap, Easy.
Part of BGC to gig all the way to the world. Filipino talent continue.
But they're about to hit the stage because the kings of people are about to bring the stage.
What you gonna do, don't permit to matik. May tinaula ako, iligay. Ano pa bumalik sa palangga? Kapisahan natin ang sinimula. Dito sa pitin ko lahat nilipot. Kapisahan ang kapto na pumala sa nalagap. Daming tao. Grabe ang tanisten.
We're breaking all the rules, we're just doing what I wanna get serious. Gonna stand these two on easy, huh? Leave it. No way, but in hard to put respect. 지금 앉아 길이 많이 know what you doing, yo. Shot be wrong or die, the owner has break heart. So long, like you touching down on the ground. It's on the stuff. What's the matter? Tumutundong man ang tayo, hindi na bibitaw. Sigaw! Let's go! Let's take you along, delicacy of the sun of the dawn. Better get a bit down low. Better get a bit of let's go. We're working for money, we roll all day. Break hard.
It's a bomb, I'll be crashing down on the ground.
Wait, I'm capping, so what? The one is you. All I'm saying is go keep it for
Wow, ang dami talagang tao. Okay, Harmonies!
BGC may song na! Song!
Oh, ay.
We want to greet everyone a happy New Year!
Happy New Year, baby style.
But first, let's introduce ourselves. Good evening, BGC. Ako nga pala si Pablo!
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala si Josh.
What is up, BGC? It's your boy, Sal!
Hey G,
Ken.
ano gusto nyo lahat? Maraming salamat po. Good evening everyone, ako po si Justin.
Of course, we are SB19! We wanna check the crowd first.
Yeah.
How are you guys doing? Are you guys still having fun? Well, let's do it one more time. BGC, make some noise! Yung pinakamalakas na kanan nyo in 3, 2, 1! Wow! That was really something for tonight. We are very happy to be here. Are you guys happy to see us?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, we're very happy to spend the New Year's Eve with you. And of course, Josh, you want to say something to everyone?
Yeah. I know you guys been here for about a couple of hours already. So, I know na medyo nag-iipon na ulit tayo ng energy para sa countdown. Is that correct? Yes. And nandito ba kayo with all of your family? Yes, maraming salamat po syempre for spending your
Gabi,
time
naglalaro lang yung
visiting
kagabi.
us and BGC ngayon.
Naglalaro
and
lang siya ng
spending your
Firelight.
New Year
Firelight.
together with us. Di ba ang kasabihan, kapag kasama nyo sa New Year, magkasama ka na kayo for the rest of the year. So, payag ba kayo no? Kasama nyo kami for the rest of the year? Okay ha? Aasahan namin yun.
Anong oras kayo bang... Isipin mo, sobrang dami natin pinagdaanan. We were able to release simula at wakas, the final part of our trilogy, and then nakapag-world tour kami, and up until the last day of 2025, nandito kayo guys. So maraming salamat. We're looking forward for more exciting activities next year, and sana makasama pa rin namin kayo until next year. So kita-kita tayo guys.
And whether you're here with your family, your friends, someone you love, let's all enjoy the night ahead. Here is time.
Kakantay nila yung time. Oh my God.
Stuck inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying not 'cause
One day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave and I hope you know.
Ang hot, grabe. Hold me for a sign if there isn't one.
Parang nagiging kawig na ni Pablo si Will Ashley for me.
Agree, kamukha nga. Parang naiyak si Josh, no? Time memories will walk away with stars left of time. Grabe, ang galing talaga.
UGC, AT, maraming salamat po. Siyempre,
Ay,
New Year
lang
no?
yung songs nila.
Sana po, mga musika namin, sana nakaka-inspire po sa inyo. Maraming salamat.
And before this year ends, we would
Ay,
like to
kunti
thank
lang yung
everyone
kanta
for
nila,
your
pang-apat
never-ending
lang.
love and support for SB19.
Love, joy, hope.
Sana next year, patuloy niyo po
Maganda
kami
ng
supportahan
mga
at samahan sa mga pangarap namin. Thank you so much, team.
And of course, before we end our spiel,
Lalim talaga ng
meron ako importanteng
boses.
announcement. Wakas at simula sa April 18, 2026 finale. Abangan niyo po yan.
Okay, maglilib lang.
Nag-18 po, ako sa simula. Manood po kayo ng pinali po. Muli, ako po si Pablo.
Ako si Josh.
Ako po si Steph.
Ako si Ken.
And I'm Justin.
This has been SB19! Stop to Let's go,
Pumatok sa pintuan kung nakakandado.
Desperado huli ka, balbon, balbon.
Panging patintong nag-aabang dyan sa tabi.
Galing na harmony.
Yung pamalupi.
Grabe, facial expression ni Pablo, locked in.
Pagitik sa bunga, puno ng iba nagtatakong ka. Tanya sa buka, ako na, ang makawala. Mga ito pa, pagkano nila. Ayoko magulo. Palo, bigay natin na basta wala na pa. Tumabay ka kung di mo to gusto. Tumabay ka dyan.
Ang taas.
Now we run, we go hard like we lose money. Now we
I just spit, not a change. These are the spits in the main. Got bamboo tricks on my feet.
Nag-goosebumps talaga ako pag nagbibisaya siya.
Now we run, we go hard like
know we're trying to find a lot. Need more get down with the alam ko na what's it. I sneeze at you. Para mabuna na ang blue. Kasi ka na. You wanna make it rain. Take them up, but they are in the you can make it. That's okay. Cause I ain't losing this game. I need everything. See that fucker if you believe like see. Sabi talaga. O sa kaluluwa ko. Black person dream.
Let's go, baby!
Let's go! Black person dream. Are you ready to jump with us? In the count of three. Let's welcome 2026. Let's go! Run! Now we run. We go hard like we do not. Flying through. Let it drip, 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 drip. Right up there. Let it drip, drip. Come on, drip, 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 drip. Drip, 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 drip. Right up there. Drip, drip, drip. We all win. Let it drip, drip, drip. Black person drip.
Galing, 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 galing.
PGC, maraming salamat po. This has been SB19! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone!
Here we are. We got SB19 joining us. What are you most looking forward to in 2026?
Yeah, music to rich. Yes!
Usap-usap po kami dito ni Josh. Looking forward po kami na kumita po this year.
Looking forward ako sa marami pang kanta at sa concert namin ni KZ sa February. Mawala na yung mga AI covers.
Alright, thank you, TJ. Okay, SB19 group project, so one spokesperson lang. Looking forward to the most in 2026.
Syempre, OPM for 2026. OPM World Tour.
Ako po, world peace lang gusto ko na lang.
Ganon! Ogi!
Self-love is more important for next year. Know your worth and be happy for next year.
Para 18, make some noise for the kings of people, SB19!
OMG, guys. Noise pollution. Noise pollution, New Year talaga. Wala na fireworks. Parokya din!
Sapat handa ko magpakatino, laging isipin lahat ay gagawin basta para sa'yo. Thank you very much, good night!
Guys, wala kami ulit masakyan. Yun, enjoy naman. Sobrang enjoy. Ang dami namin nakitang artista. Masaya siyang 2026. I mean, harap nga lang pagpa-uwi. Dapat talaga may public transportation system na maayos na dito sa Pilipinas. Bakit nandila ko? Kaya nangyari sa araw ni JM ngayon. Guys, wala pa rin kami mabook. It's 2 AM. Isang oras na rin kami halos nag-iikot.
Sa susunod na lang pagpupuntos na labot sa'yo na ikaw ang laman at tumatakbo sa isip ko.
Hi guys! Nakarating na rin kami sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Guys, nakauwi na kami. Happy New Year. Nakain na kami ng Noche Buena. Nakain na kami ng Medianoche. Ito yung pagkain namin. Sila nagalaw na yung ano. Ito, prutas to ah. Wala pa akong apple. Tapos nakain ako ng lasagna. Grabe, okay sana. Kaso, okay sana yung labas namin. Kaso, ang hirap pa uwi. Namimili yung mga taxi driver. Saglit lang naman kami ihahatid. Tapos, hindi nila tinatanggap. Hindi nila kami pinapasakay. So, ayun. Bye.
So, yun lang guys. Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, amulan. Nanood lang kaming fireworks. Tapos, nilabas ko si Bella. Kasi si Bella lang yung aso namin na hindi siya takot. Tapos, gusto niya pa nga lumabas. So, yun. Happy New Year, guys. Sana eventful yung New Year nyo. Nagpaputok kayo. Kami, nagpatunog lang kaming kotse. Tapos, nanood. Medianoche. Pero sulit na din. So, more blessings to come.
So, ayan yung mga tent nila, guys. I wonder kung saan dyan yung SB19. Ito daw yung hula ni Kuya. Nandyan yung SB19 kasi yan yung pinakamalaki. 5 tao ba naman?
Hindi ko papalit ng tigas. Panahon hindi kami nagkakaintindihan.
SB ba yun?
Okay lang. Ganun talaga. Ang importante,
SB ba yun?